I want you to see electronic music from the top down and learn how to build it from the ground up. But the thing is, software changes, hardware changes, but the fundamentals of music haven't really changed much. I've actually got a project that I've got a few components in which will help us dissect the layers and the foundations of a song. We've got kick, percussion, bass, and melody. And we're gonna go through mix downs and EQing, compression, and how to make it all work together. But first, it's important to know you are the band. But guess what? You're also the audio engineer. This is one of the hardest first hurdles that you will have to overcome. You're going to listen to music differently. You're going to analyze music differently. Music is going to be a whole different experience once you take this course. And at the end of it, I hope you have a whole track that you can enjoy and play for others to enjoy. More than that, I hope this course can help you get to the next level, get over the hurdle that you're struggling with, so that you can be the artist that you want to be.